Google just dropped something they are calling Antigravity. And if you are still paying for AI agent platforms to run your service business, this is about to feel like a waste of money. It is a multi-agent orchestration system that lets you structure tasks across specialized roles while you are not even looking at the screen. And it is free. The workhorse model inside it, Gemini 3 Flash, delivers faster outputs at lower cost than most paid agent platforms. At the end of this video, I am going to show you the exact prompt structure that turns a vague idea into a finished client deliverable without you rewriting anything. You are going to want to stick around for that. I am James. I teach solo operators how to use free AI tools to build service businesses without the subscription overhead. And I know what it feels like to start with nothing. I was working out of my brother's garage trying to build something with no budget and no clients waiting. $150 a month AI agent bill before the first invoice arrived was not something I could absorb. That is exactly why tools like Antigravity matter. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below. I will reply with a link to a free training I put together for you on how I use AI tools like this one to make money. Most AI agent platforms in this space charge between $50 and $200 per month to run multi-agent workflows. You are paying that subscription tax before you have delivered a single client project. And here's the thing. The tools that get recommended the loudest in most agency programs also happen to pay the person recommending them. That is worth knowing before you hand over your card. Antigravity gives you the same multi-agent orchestration capability at zero monthly cost. Google launched the original Antigravity in November 2025 as a code editor with agentic capabilities. They relaunched it in May 2026 at Google I/O as a standalone desktop app designed specifically for non-coders doing knowledge work. The fundamental shift is that you can now structure prompts to create specialized agent roles that handle different parts of the same task. Those workflows can run in the background. They can execute on a schedule without you opening the app. And Antigravity integrates Gemini 3 Flash, the model Google built for speed and efficiency at scale. Here is what makes this actually different. When you structure your prompt with explicit agent roles, Antigravity does not spin up one generic response that tries to do everything. You define specialized roles, one for planning, one for writing, one for reviewing, one for auditing. Each role handles its piece, and the system orchestrates the workflow. That is what I am calling the parallel agent stack, and it is the reason solo operators can now deliver work that used to require a team. Now here is where you start building. Let's say a local gym owner wants a 5-email welcome series for new members. Most people would open Antigravity and type, "Write me a 5-email welcome sequence," and hope for the best. That approach gets you generic output that needs 3 rounds of edits. Instead, you structure the prompt with named roles. You tell Antigravity you want a planner role, a writer role, a reviewer role, a critic role, and an auditor role. The planner maps the sequence structure and defines what each email accomplishes. The writer drafts all 5 emails based on that structure. The reviewer checks the drafts against the original brief. The critic evaluates tone and flow across the entire sequence. The auditor catches anything the other roles missed. You are not micromanaging 5 different tools. You are giving one structured prompt with role definitions, and Antigravity executes the workflow. Think about what this means for someone offering email marketing as a service. 1 session, 5 emails researched, drafted, reviewed, and finalized. That workflow used to take a full day of back and forth with freelancers or a subscription platform with email sequence templates. With this stack, it takes an afternoon, and the tool costs nothing to run. That is a $400 deliverable built on free infrastructure. Let's keep building. Before running your first workflow, create one shared context file with your brand voice, client information, and deliverable templates. Antigravity can reference that file across multiple projects, so you write those instructions once instead of repeating them in every prompt. Inside Antigravity, there are / commands that control how the agent behaves. /grillme makes the agent ask you clarifying questions before it starts working. /goal tells the agent to keep working until the task is complete. /browser forces the agent to use a browser for research. Most people jump straight to /goal, start with /grillme instead. Let the agent ask what it needs to know. That single step improves the quality of what comes back by a factor of 3. Now, most people take what I just showed you and try to hand it to a client. That is where it falls apart. There is one thing you have to handle first, or the output looks amateur. I am walking you through that right now. Email marketing campaigns. A chiropractor wants to reactivate old leads who inquired 6 months ago and never booked. You use Antigravity with the parallel agent stack to build a 3-email reactivation sequence. Planner role maps the hook for each email. Writer role drafts based on tone guidelines in your context files. Reviewer role checks against the brief. Auditor role confirms compliance and CTA clarity. You deliver the sequence in under 2 hours. That is a $300 campaign setup fee. Most email platforms with AI-assisted sequences bundle that capability inside a plan that costs more per month than your client is paying you for the entire project. Your version runs for free. Social media content creation. A local HVAC company needs 30 days of educational posts to run during peak season. You feed Antigravity a content calendar structure with your brand voice document and service offer details stored in your context files. The planner role breaks the calendar into themes. The writer role drafts posts. The critic role evaluates engagement potential and tone consistency across all 30 pieces. You deliver the full calendar in a single afternoon. That is a $600 retainer for 1 month of content. Platforms in this space charge you $50 to $150 monthly just to schedule and store that content, and they do not write it for you. Custom knowledge bases for employee training. A property management company with 12 employees wants an internal reference system that answers questions about their processes. You build the knowledge base with their SOPs, pricing sheets, and common scenarios stored in Markdown files. You structure Antigravity prompts to pull accurate answers from those company-specific files instead of generic internet results. You charge a setup fee and a small monthly retainer for updates. Most platforms offering this capability bundle it inside enterprise plans that cost more than the client is paying you. Your stack is free tools connected through structured context. And listen, if you have not already dropped a like and commented below, do that now. I will reply with a link to a free training I put together for you on how I use AI tools like this one to make money. And if you want to see what my day looks like now that tools like these handle most of the heavy lifting, I have a vlog channel linked in the description below. Here is what that looks like in practice. A solo operator offering email marketing gets an inbound lead from a yoga studio. They want a launch sequence for a new membership tier. The operator opens Antigravity, types "grill me." The agent asks 5 clarifying questions about the offer, the audience, the tone, and the desired action. The operator answers in 2 minutes. Then they structure the prompt: planner role, writer role, reviewer role, critic role, auditor role. They reference the brand voice document sitting in their context files. They hit enter. Antigravity executes the workflow. 15 minutes later, the full sequence is sitting in the output window. The operator reviews it, makes 2 small edits, delivers it to the client the same day they receive the brief. The yoga studio pays the $300 project fee. The operator's cost to deliver that, $0. No email platform subscription, no copywriter retainer, no project management tool, just Antigravity pulling from structured context and executing the workflow. Okay, I promised you something at the start of this video. Here it is. The prompt structure that turns vague ideas into finished deliverables without rewrites. You open with /grill me. Let the agent clarify the brief. Once you have the answers, you structure your next prompt like this. You are 5 specialized roles working together. Role 1 is the planner. Role 2 is the writer. Role 3 is the reviewer. Role 4 is the critic. Role 5 is the auditor. Here is the task. Then you describe the deliverable. You reference your context files for brand voice and formatting guidelines. You end with execute this workflow and deliver the final output. That structure forces Antigravity to handle multiple perspectives instead of one generalist trying to do everything. That is the difference between output you have to rewrite 3 times and output you can deliver the same day. Imagine what your next 30 days look like once you have this running in your stack. You wake up, you check Antigravity. The scheduled workflow you set up last night, finish the social content calendar for your HVAC client while you were asleep. You open a new session, you use /grill me to brief the next project, a lead reactivation sequence for a dentist. The agent asks clarifying questions. You answer. You structure the multi-agent prompt with explicit roles. You hit enter. 15 minutes later, the sequence is done. You deliver it, you invoice. The tools cost nothing, the infrastructure is free, the capability used to require a team and a subscription stack. Now it requires 1 desktop app and structured context files you build once. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to a free training I put together for you on how I use AI tools like this one to make money.